Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a cool product that I've been using for the past few weeks. It's called Ice Vintage AC, and it's a portable air cooler that uses water evaporation and ice cubes to cool and refresh the air around you. It's perfect for the summer heat and it's super easy to use. As you can see, it's very compact and lightweight, so you can take it anywhere you want. It has a handle on the top, so you can carry it with one hand. It also has a USB Type-C interface, so you can plug it into your laptop, power bank, or wall socket. It has a 600 milliliters water tank that can last for up to 12 hours, depending on the atomization amount. You can add pure water and small ice cubes to the water tank to enhance the cooling effect. It has 3 fan speeds that you can adjust with this button here. You can also change the direction of the airflow with this knob here. It has a built-in 7-color LED nightlight that you can turn on or off with this button here. You can choose from different colors or let it fade automatically. It creates a nice and relaxing atmosphere in your room. The only downside is that it's also not as powerful as a conventional air conditioner, so don't expect it to cool down your whole house. But for a personal space or a small area, it's perfect. I highly recommend Ice Vintage AC if you're looking for a portable, affordable, and effective way to beat the heat in 2023. It's a great product that has many features and benefits that make it worth buying. You can order it online from their official website. You can also take advantage of their special offers and discounts if you act fast. Don't miss this opportunity to get your Ice Vintage AC today and enjoy a cool and comfortable environment wherever you go. Click the link in the description below and order yours now before they run out of stock. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.